This is the Simple Machine Wedge Interactive Calculator, which calculates forces, angles, and mechanical advantages for wedge applications. The calculator has 6 calculation modes available in the drop-down menu. Calculate output force, calculate required input force, calculate wedge angle, calculate mechanical advantage, calculate efficiency and friction effects, and calculate splitting force distribution. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Output Force. There are 7 input fields: input force in newtons, output force in newtons, wedge angle in degrees, coefficient of friction mu, wedge length in millimeters, wedge thickness in millimeters, and mechanical advantage. Let me walk through an example. I'm entering 10 for all inputs. 10 newtons for input force, 10 newtons for output force, 10 degrees for wedge angle, 10 for coefficient of friction, 10 millimeters for both wedge length and thickness, and 10 for mechanical advantage. After clicking Calculate, the results show output force equals 10 newtons, mechanical advantage equals 1.00. Ideal efficiency is 100%, actual efficiency is 1147.3%, and force per side is 5 newtons. The status indicates the wedge produces 1.00 times force multiplication with 1147.3% efficiency. This tool helps engineers optimize wedge designs for their specific applications. Find the link in the description below.